Hey, so if you are trying to create an online course, you might have already realized that there's a lot of different software out there. There's different websites. Everybody's saying, pick me, pick me. And the thing is, after looking at a lot of these different options, they all have different problems that come up. If you put your course online and let's say you just put it right into a Facebook group, yeah, that's a great way to do it that's free. However, Facebook will compress your videos and eventually they look terrible. I uploaded a drawing course and it was so bad that I couldn't even bear to share it with anyone because it was just so pixelated that it couldn't even get across what I was trying to get across with how to make something look realistic. So while it's a great free option, it has a whole bunch of other problems that come with it. Like, how do you take the payments in order to get them into the Facebook group? Because technically, you're not supposed to charge. Actually, I think Facebook may have rolled out a new version where you can charge to get into a group, but there's just a lot of problems there. And once we're on Facebook, there's so many distractions that come up, so much spam, so much, oh, yeah, let me click on this. Oh, this person messaged me. There's a notification. So it's really helpful if you can get them off of Facebook, get them into a group where they can access your course, they can pay for your course, they can have the community there as well, be able to talk with people who are actually talking about what your course is about. They're like minded people where they can connect with them and not be distracted by a million other ads and everything else going on Facebook. Or, there's other platforms where you might be able to upload the video and it's high quality, but oh, actually it has to be hosted over here, but then it's up over here. And then, oh, the payment processor's over here. And there's just a million different steps to it. So to resolve all of that, I found Circle. Circle so far has been just mind blowing to me how simple it was, how effective it was, how it just kind of hit all the different things that I needed in an online course and community and way to take payments, like all of it. Let me just walk you through as I upload some videos from one of my old courses into this new circle I just created. The day that I created it, I went from knowing zero, nothing, nada, other than having heard the name circle. So I'm coming into this with no knowledge of how to create a circle. It took me 3 hours, 3 hours to go from zero to actually having a course uploaded, having my own circle platform, having my payment processor connected to it. Because you still do have to have like a way to collect the payments. So Stripe is a great one. There's PayPal, there's probably other ones, but Stripe is just kind of a main one that a lot of people know and a lot of people use. And so I already did have that in place. I will say there were a few things that I had already done, like I'd already filmed my courses. I had already come up with a lot of my copy, which is the language to describe what the program was. Um, so there were some elements that I already had done previously and why I was able to create this in just 3 hours. But I mean, if you already have that stuff ready to go, 3 hours and it was up and running and ready to take payments. It was awesome. So I'm going to upload my next course to it that has a few more pieces. Let me just go ahead and share my screen. Oh, you thought I was going to share it all on YouTube? No, I want you to come join me in my circle. So click the link in the description for free. Learn how to organize and upload your videos, customize each area in your circle, how to create a super simple sales page, set up a payment plan, publish and profit all in under an hour. I'm going to keep it super basic, guys. No fancy tech. Even my cat could do it. Okay, maybe not my cat, but isn't she cute? And guess what, guys? I'm doing all of this for free. I just want to share the knowledge and get this out there to be able to help more creators. So before I get any more dramatic about this, come on, come join me over in Circle. Click the link in the description.